Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes and welcome to Maths 2B. Okay, running topic is circles. Already 13 classes are completed. Next question, continuation next question. Find the value of C if the points 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, C are concyclic. Clearly we know that about the concyclic points. Concyclic point means, so suppose we are taking the one quadrilateral, okay now. So the a circle passes through the four vertices of the quadrilateral, okay now. A circle passes through the four vertices of the quadrilateral. Then these 4 points are called cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is there. These 4 points lies on the same circle. These 4 points are called which are cyclic concyclic points. These four points are called concyclic points. See here, how to here what is the next here what is our question, sir? See here, the find the value of C if the points 2, 0, 0, 4, 5, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, C are concyclic. That is nothing that the 4 points lies on the circle given already clearly given. These 4 points concyclic points. By using of that the given condition, must ensure the 4 point lies on the given circle. Okay now. So how to find the C value? First we are finding the cyclic equation passing through the 3 points. Okay now. The fourth point we are substituting the cyclic equation. We get the C value. Okay now. See here. Solution. Given points. What are the given points, sir? Here given points. A is equal to 2, 0, B is equal to 0, 1, C is equal to 4, 5, D is equal to 0, C. Okay, now A is equal to 2, 0, B is equal to 0, 1, C is equal to 4, 5, D is equal to 0, C are given points. Next we are finding the circle equation passing through the 3 points. First we are finding the circle equation passing through the 3 points A, B, C. That is first we are finding. Let here S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is we are taking equation 1. Be the required circle equation. Okay now. So s is equal to x square plus, actually this is the general form of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of circle. But there is already one c is there. We want this c is not value. So we want this point c is required. That's why we are taking for our convenience x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k equal to 0 be the required circle equation we are taking. Here c place for our convenience there is already c is there. That's why we are taking the k value. Okay now. Here s is equal to 0. The circle s is equal to 0. The circle s is equal to 0. Passes through here A is equal to 2, 0, B is equal to 0, 1, C is equal to 4, 5. A is equal to 2, 0, B is equal to 0, 1, C is equal to 4, 5. Here S is equal to 0. Passes through. First we are taking passes through A is equal to 2, 0. That implies. Okay now. Here we are substituting x is equal to 2, y equal to 0. X square, 2 square, y is equal to 0. Here 2g into x is equal to 2. Here 2f into y is equal to 0. Actually, general form plus c, but already c value is there. That's why for our convenience we are taking km. Plus k is equal to 0. 2 square is equal to 4. Plus 0 square is equal to 0. 2g into g, that is nothing but 4g. 2f into 0, 0 plus k is equal to 0. 4g plus k is equal to which one, sir? Minus 4. 4g plus k is equal to minus 4. This is we are taking equation 2. See here, this is the equation 2. S is equal to 0 passes through a of 2 comma 0. Next here, s is equal to 0 passes through, s is equal to 0 passes through b is equal to 0 comma 1. S is equal to 0 passes through b is equal to 0 comma 1. Here 0 comma 1 we are substituting in this equation. X is equal to 0, 0 square plus y is equal to 1, 1 square plus 2g into x is equal to 0 plus 2f into y, y is equal to 1 plus k is equal to 0. Here 0 square is equal to 0, 1 square is equal to 1 plus 2g into 0, 0, 2f into 1, that is nothing but 2f plus k is equal to 0. Here 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. Okay now? This is we are taking equation 3. Here 4g plus k is equal to minus 4. Next one 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. Next third point, s is equal to 0 passes through 4 comma 5. Here s is equal to 0 passes through, s is equal to 0 passes through which one, sir? C of which one? C is equal to 4 comma 5. Okay na? We are substituting in this equation 1. X square, that is nothing but 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into x is equal to, what is the value? 4 plus 2f into y, y is equal to 5 plus k is equal to 0. 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 2g into 4, which one, sir? 8g plus 2f into 5, 10f plus k is equal to 0. Okay na? Here 8g plus 10f plus k is equal to 25 plus 16, what is the value? 41. This plus 41 we are taking right side, minus 41, minus 41. This is we are taking equation 4. Equation 2, equation 3, equation 4. Solving these three equations we get g comma f comma c values. Okay now? How to solve? First we are doing equation 2 minus equation 3. First what we are doing, sir? Equation 2 minus equation 3. Okay na? Here equation 2 minus equation 3. That implies, what is the equation 2, sir? 4g plus k is equal to minus 4. 4g plus k is equal to minus 4. What is the equation 3? 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. Okay now? So we are subtracting these two values, sir. Okay now? So here what is the equation 2, equation 3. 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 3. Here minus minus plus sum. Here there is 4g is there. 4g. There is no f value in this. There is no g value. That's why 4g minus 2f plus k minus k cancel. Here minus 4 plus 1. What is the value, sir? Minus 3. Here we are taking 4g minus 2f is equal to minus 3. This is we are taking the equation 5. Okay na? 4g minus 2f is equal to which one, sir? Minus 3. That is the equation 5. Next we are taking then equation 3 minus equation 4 we are taking. Okay now? Equation 3 minus equation 4. Here equation 3 minus equation 4. It implies, what is the equation 3? 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. 2f plus k is equal to minus 1. What is the equation 4? 8g. Okay now? 8g plus 10f plus k. Here 8g plus 10f plus k. 8g plus 10f plus k is equal to, what is the value? Minus 41. 8g plus 10f plus k is equal to minus 41. Okay now? So now we are subtracting here minus plus. Here plus k minus k cancel. Okay now? Plus k minus k cancel. Here what is the remaining value, sir? Minus 8g plus 2f minus 10f minus 8f minus 8g minus 8f plus 41 minus 1 plus 41 minus 1. What is the value? 40. Here minus 8g minus 8f is equal to 40m. So minus 8 we are taking the common, remaining value g plus f is equal to 40m. Here g plus f is equal to 40 by minus 8. 8 1 the 8 5 the g plus f is equal to minus 5. This is we are taking equation 6. Solving equation 5 and equation 6 we get the g comma f values. Okay na? First all of you have to clearly solving. Next we are solving g comma f values. We get which one, sir? So solving equation 5 and equation 6 we get the g comma f value. Thereafter we are substituting g value in equation 2. We get the k value. First all of you have to clearly. So see here solving equation 5 and equation 6 solving equation 5 and equation 6. What is equation 5? 4g minus 2f is equal to minus 3m. 4g minus 2f is equal to minus 3. Next one, g plus f is equal to minus 5. 4g minus 2f is equal to minus 3. G plus f is equal to minus 5. We are solving these two equations. 4g minus 2f is equal to minus 3. G plus f is equal to minus 5. 4g minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. Here g plus f plus 5 equal to 0. 4g minus 2f plus 3 equal to 0. G plus f plus 5 equal to 0. Okay na? Next we are solving these two equations, sir. Minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2. Minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2. Next we are writing this one. F coefficient what is there? 1, 5, 1, 1. Here observe this one. First we are writing F coefficient minus 2, 3, 4, minus 2. 1, 5, 1, 1. Here we are writing G, F, 1. Okay na? Here G by minus 2 into 5. What is the value? Minus 10. 3 into 1, 3m. Minus 2 into 5, minus 10. 3 into 1, 3. Okay na? Is equal to F by 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 5, 20m. 4 into 5, 20 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1, 4, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 2 plus 2m. That is nothing but g by, here minus 10 minus 3, minus 13 is equal to f by 3 minus 20, minus 17 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2, what is the value, sir? 6. Okay now? So now we are solving this one. We get g comma f values, sir. Okay na? Here g is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 13 by 6. F is equal to minus 17 by 6. G is equal to minus 13 by 6. F is equal to, sir, minus 17 by 6. We are substituting g comma f values in equation 2. What is the equation 2, sir? Only no need of f value. In the equation 2, g value is required. Okay, now substituting g value in equation 2. That is nothing but 4g plus c is equal to minus 4. Equation 2 is 4g plus c is equal to minus 4. substituting g value in equation 2. G is equal to what is it, sir? Minus 13 by 6. 4 into g is equal to minus 13 by 6 plus what is the value? Here c in our there km 4g plus k, sorry, 4g plus km. Here 4 into g is equal to minus 13 by 6 plus k is equal to what is the value, sir? Minus 4. Okay now. Here k is equal to, so first 4 into 13 52 by 6 plus k is equal to minus 4. So therefore k is equal to 52 by 6 minus 4. K is equal to 52, 4 into 6 minus 24 by 6. Okay na? So here what we are getting, sir? K is equal to 52 minus 24. What is the value? K is equal to 28 by 6. K is equal to what is the value, sir? 28 by 6. This is the value of Km. K is equal to 28 by 6. Okay now. So here we are getting, so 2 3s are 2 14s are. That's why K is equal to what is the value? 14 by 3. Here substituting G is equal to what is the value? Minus 13 by 6. F is equal to what is the value of F, sir? Minus 17 by 6. K is equal to what is the value of K? 14 by 3. In which equation, sir? In the equation S is equal to 0. Substituting G is equal to minus 13 by 6. F is equal to minus 17 by 6. K is equal to 14 by 3. In the equation S is equal to 0. See, substituting G is equal to minus 13 by 6. F is equal to minus 17 by 6. K equal to 14 by 3. In S is equal to 0. What is S is equal to 0, sir? Here S is equal to which will be taken? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k equal to 0. Here x square plus y square 2 into g is equal to minus 13 by 6 into x. 2 into f is equal to minus 17 by 6 into y plus k is equal to 14 by 3 is equal to 0. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Here what is the LCM value, sir? 3 is the LCM value. Here x square plus y square. Here minus 13 by 3 into x minus 17 by 3 into y plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay now? If you are simplifying this one, first all of write on this one. All of write on carefully. All of write down first. Okay. Next, see here we are simplifying that one. What we are getting, sir? So x square plus what is the LCM value, sir? 3x. 3 is the LCM value. Here what we are getting, sir? 3 into x square plus y square. Here minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 is equal to what is the value? 0. Here 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 is equal to 0. Be the required circle. Be the required circle. The circle passes through, so 3 points A, B, C. Okay, na? Here D is equal to what is this, sir? D is equal to 0, comma C lies on which one, sir? Which circle? S is equal to 0 circle. That's why in this equation x is equal to 0, y equal to cm. 3 into 0 square plus 3 into c square minus 13c plus 13 into 0. X is equal to what is that? 0 minus 17 into c plus 14 is equal to 0. Here totally 3 into 0 square means 0. Here what we are getting, sir? 3c square minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. 3c square minus 17c plus 14 equal to 0. Now we are splitting this one. There is middle term is minus 17 is there. Okay now. Here 17 is equal to minus 17 is equal to minus 3 minus 14 we can write. 3c square minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay now. These two terms we can take the common 3c. Remaining value c minus 1. Okay now. So 3c square minus 3c is there. We take a common 3c, remaining value c minus 1. So here minus 14c plus 14 equal to 0. Here minus 14 we are taking the common, remaining value c minus 1 is equal to 0. Here c minus 1 into 3c minus 14 is equal to 0. This is equal to c minus 1 is equal to 0 or 3c minus 14 is equal to 0. Here c is equal to 1 or c is equal to 14 by 3. Here what is the question, sir? Find the value of which one? C is there. What is the value of c, sir? C is equal to 14 by 3. Okay now? C is equal to 14 by 3. This is the c value. C is equal to 1 or c equal to 14 by 3 is the our required value. In our question what is there? Find the value of c is there. C is equal to 1 or c is equal to 14 by 3 is the right answer. Okay na? All of you, this is very important problem for long type question. Okay na? Write down carefully. So see, our next concept is notation sum. Okay na? Notations is very useful. Okay na? So in the circle chapter we are using some notation sum. Here s is equal to, here suppose we are taking x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is there. So plus c is equal to 0 we are writing, that is the general form of circle equation. This is the expression of s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is the expression of the circle. Okay now. So suppose we are taking here x1 comma y1, here x2 comma y2 or any 2 points అనుకున్నాము. Any 2 points, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 or any 2 points. Suppose we are using some notation, s1 is equal to, we are using s1 notation. There is x square y square here, x1 plus y1, here g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus cm. This is the notation of which one, sir? S1. S1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus g of what is the value? X plus x1 plus f of what is the value? Notation of S1. Okay now. Here next we are writing notation of, see observe this one carefully. S2 is equal to notation of S2 x2 plus y2 g of x plus x2 g of what is the value? X plus f2, here f of y plus y2 plus c. This is the notation of which one, sir? S2 x2 plus y2 plus g of x plus x2 plus f of y plus y2 plus c. This is the notation of S2. Next, see here there is a notation of S11. S11 means here x1 comma y1 point we are taking, here x1 square plus y1 square, here 2gx1 plus 2f y1 plus c. This is the notation of which one, sir? S11. Next see here S12 notation also there. S12. Okay now? Here S12 is nothing but x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. S12 is nothing but x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. Okay now? So this is the notation of which one, sir? S1 xx1 plus y1 plus g of xx1 plus f of y1 plus c. S2 is equal to xx2 plus y2 plus g of x plus x2 plus f of y plus y2 plus c. S11 x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. S12 x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 x2 plus f of y1 y2 plus c is equal to plus c. These following notations are we are using in the circles. All of you remember this notations of circles. Clearly remember this one, all of you. All of write down carefully.